we are in the capital of Bosnia and Herzegovina, Sarajevo, and we are literally so excited to be here. We knew nothing about this place before we came. We're about to head into the city centre now to go on a free walking tour to try all the food and to explore this amazing city. And our tram's here now. Let's go!
Here we are.
So first impressions of Sarajevo is that it's so unique. It's nestled amongst these mountains, which, I don't know, just gives it this really unique feel compared to a lot of cities which I find like are quite flat. We are loving it. Like, the locals seem super friendly. Everyone seems to be having such a good time here. Like, I feel like everyone's on a bit of a vibe. Everybody's just living their best lives.
Eating all the food.
Yeah, everyone's always sat outside. I don't know whether it's because we're here in the summer. Obviously in the winter, I can imagine it's very different. But in the summer, there's so many cafes just lined along the streets, and everyone's sat outside eating, drinking. It's a really, really nice vibe. I didn't know what to expect. I didn't expect this, but it's lovely.
One thing that I noticed is the extent of the shrapnel in the buildings is very eye-opening. I thought it was just like our apartment block in that area, but on the tram you are going to see so much of it on the sides of the buildings, and it's taken me by surprise. And I think that's why we're so interested in doing this free walking tour today, because we're going to learn so much. Yeah. And that's what we want to do. We want to learn about the place because, like we said at the start, we really didn't know that much. We're doing our free walking tour with these guys. They seem really nice, don't they?
We're very excited. It starts at 3 o'clock. The time is 5 to 3. We made it. We ate our barek and we ran here. I'm really excited.
Oh yeah, a little bit about the barek. It was I think it was 1 kilo.
Yeah,
each.
we accidentally ordered 1 kilo of barek each, and we ate the whole thing thinking that was probably normal. In hindsight, I'm so full. We could have shared one. But you live and you learn.
It was probably the best barek we've had.
It was gorgeous. It was 10 marks for each barek, so 20 marks in total, which is about £4.50 each, so £9, which, to be fair, the quality was so much better than anything we've ever tasted before. So we're ready though, got the map ready.
A brief introduction to Bosnian history, starting from the 10th century, because that's the first time Bosnia is mentioned as a name, all the way to present day. Then after that, we can officially start with the walking part of the tour.
So we just found out that this fountain in the middle of the old town is completely drinkable. So I'm going to have a bit now. I'm thirsty. Do I put it in a bottle? Should I put it in my hands? I'll just top up the bottle. How exciting. Free water. 10 out of 10. Yeah, tastes nice. He's talking, we should go back.
That right there is one of the only functioning lunar towers in the world. And the clock face itself right now is telling what you think is the wrong time, but it's not. It's the correct time for when the sun is basically following the sun, or the time is following the sun. When it hits the top, that is essentially when the sun has gone down. And then the new day begins. Now, back in the Ottoman times, it was considered rude to look someone in the eyes as you go through the house. So they built doorways smaller, so when they come through, they duck their heads, and then they would approach the person, shake their hand, I don't know, maybe look them in the eyes afterwards. But that is why the doors are so small in the Ottoman era.
Amazing. So we've come into the old town now, and it's like where all the markets are, all the little cafes serving the Bosnian coffee. They come in like these little copper cups and saucers and things. It's gorgeous. This is so cool in here. It says no photos or videos on the wall. I must stop immediately. So the water fountain behind us, which is actually a symbol of Sarajevo. I've seen it on some magnets and I was wondering why it had such a big significance, but it was built years and years and years ago, and it was always there to provide like the locals with drinking water. It's amazing, and you can actually drink the water from it right now. People are filling up their water bottles, and apparently if you drink from this exact fountain, the steady water fountain, you will come back to Sarajevo another time in your life.
Crazy. Are we trying it?
Wild. Yeah, absolutely.
Get straight from the source.
Supposedly, I will now come back to Sarajevo in the future. So these are the little copper things that you have the coffee in. You have your Bosnian coffee. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
And inside you have tin, as I mentioned already, because it would be poisonous because of the copper if it was only copper. And generally this is usually what every household has, but it's pretty rare that people drink it like this anymore. Unfortunately, it's usually older people, or when you order coffee here, Bosnian coffee inside of one of these cafes right here. This is usually how you get your coffee served.
So we've come inside one of the copper shops, which is on the oldest street in the whole of Sarajevo, and Nick just held an artillery shell that's now an umbrella holder. But the stuff in here is crazy beautiful. It's stunning. It's just got everything. You name it, it's in this shop. I don't usually like coming into like shops like this on tours, but I find this so interesting because it's super old and they like repurpose so much stuff, like old bullets, old artillery shells. It's honestly so interesting. Raining. Why didn't we bring the raincoats?
I don't know.
We were like, let's hang the washing out on the line outside the apartment and let's not bring the raincoats. Oh, it's gonna get wet.
There's a really cool event going on today. You got cliff diving over there into the river.
And they're really funny. I thought they were going to do like flips on the way in, but they don't. They just go like this. They like go, and then like this right at the last minute.
Well, see if we get a video of it in a bit because it's actually really cool. We're now heading over to where
it's called the Latin Bridge.
The Latin Bridge, where the assassination happened, and that is said where World War I started because of the assassinations of Franz Ferdinand. And that is crazy.
And it is tipping it down with rain. So we're crossing the Latin Bridge currently on our way to the point where
the assassination
happened. So interesting. Like, I find it. They renamed this bridge as well. It wasn't called this before the assassination, but since the assassination, this happened.
It was known as the Princeton Bridge by certain groups of people. But yeah, no longer known as that. It is now the Latin Bridge.
Yeah. And that is a replica of the exact car that they were in when they got shot. So these metal plates are exactly where the wheels of the car was when the assassination happened, which is literally so close to where the shooter was. It's actually insane. So I've got like the metal plates here. The assassinator was there. That's how close he was. It's insane.
I feel like there's lots of history and places that you can go experience World War I, World War II, but this is the start of where it will happen. It's a really eerie feeling, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's crazy. This is wild. It is like stepping back in time. So 2 bullets affected the lives of millions, like 20 million people across the world. It affected loads of people, and it happened there.
That is really eerie. So this actually marks Sarajevo Rose, and it's a point where you can see where like a grenade hit the ground, and they've painted it in red to like mark it in the city. And there's multiple 200 of these around the city, and it's where more than like one person died in this area, like when that one grenade hit. And then there's actual shrapnel damage on the cathedral. And when I was just taking a photo of it then, the bells went off in the cathedral and it just shivers straight down my spine. You got it like
oh my, it looks powerful, doesn't it?
And then straight up to the mountains. He was saying it probably came from the mountains, from the mountain area, down this way towards the cathedral. It's honestly insane.
Ottoman, Austro-Hungarian.
Amazing. It's so crazy because literally the different colours of the pavement are completely different architecture. Like that side is small, very cramped, very small shops, lots of sweets, things like that, like mosques. And then this side, everything's really tall, and there's big shops, and everything's like
spacious.
Just so different. It's so different. It's absolutely wild. It's blowing my mind. It's blowing my mind.
There's a little Easter egg here, so if you don't know which way to go, or you don't know which way to start your day, east or west. We're going west. This way.
This way. How do you say this one?
Bahia.
Bahia? Yeah, is it good?
Very well.
Our first Bosnian dessert. We have got the tupper here. As he said, it's a poached apple with whipped squirty cream and walnuts.
Oh, it's salt.
Oh,
Perfect, that's fine.
we'll try it.
Give me this.
We got baked goods for dinner because it's Sunday and everything's shut on a Sunday. Like, restaurants are open, but we've already had that massive burek today, so we were like, we don't really want another meal. And all the supermarkets are shut, and all we've got is cereal. So we thought we'll grab a few bits, and then we can have them later.
And have a bit of girl dinner as well.
How exciting!
Girl dinner. On the agenda for today is getting a train ticket to Mostar. So we're walking to the train station now, and apparently this train is arguably one of the most beautiful trains in Europe. So we're really looking forward to doing that tomorrow, but let's hopefully get a ticket first. There's the ticket office. Hopefully we can get one.
I have no idea whether we're going to go to get one. Hello! Can we buy a ticket to Mostar for tomorrow?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah.
For 2 people?
One way or return?
One way.
28 and 20.
What times do they go?
7:15 in the morning and from Mostar tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah?
Tomorrow 5 p.m. from Mostar.
5 p.m. Perfect. We'll go for the 5 p.m. So, we came today to get the tickets because I heard online that it's only one train, but one train twice a day. One in the morning super early and one in the evening. And if we got here and it was fully booked, we've got our apartment already booked in Mostar, so at least we've got our ticket now. We can get there. We're going to get the 5 p.m. one, I think. 7:50 is early, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe we'll make that decision in time.
That's early. Early. But we'll see. We'll see what time we go to bed tonight. We're going.
That's exciting.
And it was only £12.51
For both tickets?
both of us.
Wow.
Bargain.
That is well
Much
good.
cheaper than the bus.
This was not this colour yesterday.
No. It was clear.
Yeah. That
All
is.
of the mountain brown water. Oh, it's now.
In the city of Sarajevo, you will find loads of bridges along the river, and they've all got a little story or a plaque next to them telling you where it's come from, what it's about, which makes it really interesting. Something to look at when you're walking along the river. How are you feeling today?
I'm sleepy now. I think it's the grey weather. It's like, I had energy when the sun was out and now it's gone grey again. I'm like, but we're on our way to find 2 sweet treats from Bosnia. So,
One of them being?
one of them is a krofne, which is the equivalent of a Bosnian donut. So
Well-
I'm excited, but it still walks that way, so. But
You look so good. Let's go! That's
she
insane.
just gave us these for free, and they're warm.
Oh wow, they look good. Go on, give it a go. They look good. No idea what they are.
It's bread,
It's just bread.
but it's like
Warm.
freshly made bread.
And what continues?
The donut saga continues. My first donut in Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Oh.
I think it's not strawberry or raspberry jam. I think it's an apricot jam.
Oh.
Maybe it's apricot. It's lovely. We have had the best few days in Sarajevo. In Bosnia, we are exhausted. We have walked miles.
Miles.
We've literally done like laps of the city like you've never seen, but we have absolutely loved it. It has been so eye-opening, and it's just been so cool to learn about such an amazing country, and we've loved every minute.
Yeah,
we have.
absolutely.
It's been so good, but tomorrow we've got a very exciting day. We're heading to a new destination early in the morning by train, so we'll see you
And like
there.
we said earlier, this is potentially the most beautiful train in Europe, and we can't wait to show you.
So we'll see you there. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe.
And we'll see you on the next one.
See you on the train. Bye.